Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I'm gonna show you this Mamaearth onion hair mask. How to use this hair mask. So let's get started into the video. In this hair mask has already include onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar oil for controlling hair fall and get rid of frizziness on your hair. This is also paraben free hair mask. This mask suitable for any type of hair, colored hair or damaged hair or frizzy hair. Now let's get started into the application. Before apply this hair mask, any hair mask, first detangle your hair like so. Now take a middle partition like so and divided all our hair into two equal parts. Okay, now wet your hair with the help of the spray bottle. Okay, now apply the hair mask. It's secure with a tight cap, so now I'll remove that. Okay, it is the cream consistency like this. Now take full palm of cream and apply root to tip of your hair like so. Given the down strokes like so. Okay, now divide the section of your hairs and apply this mask like this. Apply this mask especially middle to tips of your hair like so. It removes frizziness of your hair. Now application completed. Now gather your hair like ponytail and make a bun and secure with the clip like so. Okay, now wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off with a mild shampoo. And no need to use of conditioner because it works as a conditioner also. Now see my hair. This is the result after using that mask. I will get so soft and manageable hair for this hair mask. So watch my hair, very shiny and beautiful. I hope you are all like this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. Take care. Bye bye.